Hello, this is HardReset.Info speaking for you, and in this video I'll show you how to enter your controller settings on Xbox Series S. It's very simple, because from the home screen of Xbox you have to select Settings. Now go to Accessibility, Controller, and here we've got available options like button mapping, vibration settings and co-pilot settings. Let's enter button mapping. And here you can change mapping for buttons on your controller. For example, share button and press. Now select other button like A button and you can map it to left bumper, right bumper or different buttons. Also you can swap sticks, invert axis, swap triggers, or turn on or off vibration. In vibration settings, you can manage vibrations for profiles. And in co-pilot settings, you can see if your controller is updated, is its battery is full, or is it signed to some accounts. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.